Hey, it's Nina Nevsky with Worship Piano Tutorials, and I want to show you how to play the song Miracles. And you'll see it by so many different people, on online. But I'm gonna do the version that Christine DeMarco did, so it's in the key of E. I'm gonna go through the entire song, and then I'll go piece by piece and show you all the details. The one who made the blind to see is moving here in front of me, moving here in front of me. The one who made the deaf to hear is silencing my every fear, silencing my every fear. I believe in you, I believe in you. You're the God of miracles. I believe in you, I believe in you. You're the God of miracles. want to learn a little bit about how to like improvise and add your own notes to any kind of chord progression, be sure to check pianoministrycourse.com. That's where I teach all of these, all of the things that you need when you're leading worship and you're playing, like how to play to, you know. Anyway, so be sure to check that out. And now I'm going to go through the entire song piece by piece. Man, I feel like we just had an entire worship session. That was so amazing. Thanks for joining me today. So the way I play the song is so easy. You're going to absolutely love this song after you see how really it really is. How easy it really is. Sorry. Anyway, so you go to, since this song is in the key of E, you can either hold your right hand in one place right here, or at the very beginning of the song, I like to move this B down over here. So I'm gonna play this with my right hand the entire first verse and the entire first chorus. So the only thing that I'm gonna move is my left hand. So first, I'm gonna start with the chord C sharp minor. So I'm just gonna play this C sharp right here, and then a G sharp, and then an A, left hand, you're basically playing. Or if you think it's too strong, just press on the E. For example, like you can also do that. It sounds a lot more empty. Otherwise, just press on that B and E. And then you do the verse. To see is moving here in front of me. So just playing this way, and then you go into I believe you, and you. I believe you. I did a little rhythm. I think I did like. I believe you. So you can do that. You know, all you're doing is just alternating B and E the way you want, and then the left just remains the same. Miracles. Then you go to a little instrumental, C sharp, G sharp, A, just like you've seen in the verse. It just repeats itself. And then you go to verse 2, which I would play a little stronger. The one who does impossible is reaching out to make me whole. So playing a little stronger, and then you get to the, you know, higher chorus. And what I like to do is, instead of playing B down here, I like to play B up here. That way it really makes the sound a little like richer. So since you are playing more high keys with your right hand, you really have to double on the bass to make it like loud, especially if you're singing with that higher voice. Just hitting on those bass notes constantly, like. So make sure that you are playing with a pedal, because without a pedal, it'll sound like this. You know? With a pedal, it's like more of a constant sound. I'm not playing octaves a lot because my hand is really small and I end up pressing the wrong keys. It sounds horrible, so that's why a lot of times I do it with one finger. So that's it, and then you go into the bridge, and what I like to do is play the chorus once through, and then I go into the bridge. And the way I play that is, instead of playing E just like this, E and B, I like to switch to that third of A, since I'm going to be playing A. The God who wasn't, and then I'm going to play the third of B, is to come, and I'm going to play a regular E with my right hand. The power of the risen one. For the risen one, I'm staying the same with my right hand, and I'm just playing C sharp here. And then back to the third of A and B. again, switching to third of B, and then going back to the regular E. Picking up my left hand. And you just kind of play that. Again, volume equals more bass. And that's it. That's how simple this song is. Again, if you want to learn piano and you haven't ever played piano and you just want to take it step by step, you can go to basicpianocourse.com and I'll teach you. You're literally going to play 10 songs in like the first half hour of learning. Literally, it'll be crazy. Like the way I teach you to play piano is so much easier than I don't think any of you guys have ever learned piano as easy. So if you've never played, basicpianocourse.com, and I'm excited to see you in the next free tutorial. Have a great day. Bye.